Okay, so the tent is emptied out. I'll close that screen door in a minute. Then I'll take my tent down. I'll show you that in fast motion. And then everything is packed up. I have electrolytes added to my water. So that's all set. My food bag, that'll go in the pack in just a minute. My trekking poles. So pretty much everything is packed. This is where I keep my water and sea-knock bag, my cook kit, my rain gear, crap kit and all that stuff. Then this is my pad that I put underneath my sleep pad. And the other thing that'll go in this pocket, this side, is the freestanding tent poles. So let me get that going.